Today, during our reading lesson, we focused on how the author feels about the topic. We looked at the books Face to Face with Whales, Ivan, and A Little Book of Sloths. Remember, we talked about the author's point of view, and that's how the author thinks about or sees the story. And then we should be able to pull evidence from that story to be able to prove it. For example, in Face to Face with Whales, he was excited about and fascinated by whales. The evidence was the quote, "I tried to quiet my excited breathing, and it was thrilling." In Ivan, the author's point of view was she thinks it was wrong to capture Ivan and take him to America. The evidence from the story was cruel hands and stole the little gorilla. In A Book of Sloths, she loves sloths. There were several times that she said, "I love sloths and I love their sweet smiles and slow-mo lifestyles and the innate huggability." So today, during your independent reading time, I want you to get a nonfiction book. I want you to think about what was the author's point of view and how did you know that? Also, how did the author feel about that topic? Don't forget to bring these ideas with you to share during our group.